keep my head in the sky. I said, I'm tired of being broke. I said, I'm tired of being lonely.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jimmy here, another reaction video. To react to another Gigi De Lana video. This is going to be her covering Michael Jackson's Human Nature, which is one of my favorite songs by Michael Jackson. So I really, she's about to ruin the original for me. I got a feeling. She took the Maroon 5 song that I like and just destroyed that and made it her own. So now I can't listen to the original without thinking of hers anymore. Ruined that song for me, so thank you so much for that one. Please don't do this to Human Nature. Like, it's Michael Jackson, you know? Sometimes you gotta let legends, like, you know, do their thing, you know? But, before we get to this video, hit the like button, subscribe to notifications on, check out my merch down in the description below. If you guys do buy my merch, definitely some pictures of you guys wearing the merch, like DM me, and like I'll post it on my Instagram channel, like promoting merch. It's a whole thing, you guys see. But definitely, like, you know, DM me a picture if you guys do end up purchasing merch. Also, the links to those social media channels, if you guys want to DM me, are down in the description below. Give me a follow if you guys want. And let's get into this video. I'm talking too much. Intro way too damn long. Okay, quality's right. Please don't ruin this song for me. Here we go. I'm liking it already.
The nighttime, the city winds, a sleepless eye. Hear his voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. It's just an apple. Then let me take a bite. If they say why? Just tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way? If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why?
I don't know if she did that on purpose, but like she's saying like he. Then she switched it to she. Let's move it to him. No, tell them. Never mind.
Does she do it that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere.
Switch it again.
He knows I'm watching. He likes the way I stare. If they say why? Just tell him that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way? If they say why? Just tell him that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way?
appreciate you.
Great miss.
Get off of that. Yeah, I really like that. I haven't subscribed yet. My bad for disrespect. I don't know why I haven't subscribed. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, it didn't ruin the original for me, thank God. But like, it was really like good still. If you guys don't like, it was like she didn't try to outdo Michael Jackson. She kept it in her own lane, which I really appreciate. And she just like blew it out the water. She blew it out the water. I will, if someone like, no, I'm not gonna say that. No, I'm not gonna say that. I almost went somewhere. Woo! That's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, notifications on. Till next time, you guys. Peace.
Keep my head in the sky.